Welcome to another vlog on my channel. So this video will be based on the room tours of the hotels where I had stayed in Pattaya and in Bangkok. I'll start with the hotel in Pattaya. So I stayed at this property called Hotel Selection, and this is how the room looked like. Okay, so this is the main entrance to the room. Two people staying over here, so we have two room keys, which is quite unique, and we have the air conditioner over here. Anyway, so this is a suite room that we have booked. This is more like the living room. Okay, we have a cabinet over here, we have the mini fridge, and we have this entire kitchen area, you can say, and we have the complimentary tea and coffee over there, and we have got water bottles. You have a couch over here, a chair, there's a TV. I need to see if the TV is working or not, because there's a scam that goes on. Anyway, coming to the balcony, we were promised a sea view room, but I don't see the sea. I don't see the sea. But anyway, the view from the room is quite nice. The view from the balcony is quite nice, and you can watch the lights of this building by sitting over here. Anyway, it's too hot outside. Let me go inside. So this is more like the living room. Then we have the bedroom over here. So we have two single beds. We have another television over here, and you get more or less the same view of the outside. Yep, same thing. And you have the table lamps over there. You have a huge wardrobe, and you have the luggage rack as well. And this is the washroom. We have a lot of area over here, and wow, we have a bathtub. I think this is gonna be the first hotel where I am spending my own money and getting a bathtub. And you have, yep, that is all about the room. Okay, now we are on the fourth floor. Okay, this hotel has 9 floors. So from our balcony, the view is obstructed by. I requested them if we could get another room on a different floor, on a higher floor, but they said that they don't have suite rooms on the upper floors. So since this is a nice room, I didn't want to compromise with this. Now I will try to take you to the gym. Okay, I won't be working out obviously, because there are so many places left to explore, but I'll show you how the gym looks like of the hotel, and I'll take you to the swimming pool area. Of course, I am pretty sure I won't get any time to swim, but maybe I'll try to relax a little bit. So that was how our hotel looked like in Pattaya. Now we will be going to Bangkok Okay, in Bangkok we are staying at this place called Bangkok Palace Hotel. Apparently, this hotel where we are staying at in Bangkok, this is said to be haunted, but we will see if we actually experience any spooky encounters. But yeah, here's how our hotel looked like in Bangkok. Alright, so this is the main entrance, and as you enter the room, you get a cupboard on the right hand side. Quite interestingly, I can see rubber slippers over here. Usually, people give, cloth slippers. Anyway, this is the washroom that we have, and this is the bathtub. The washroom is a little smaller than the one we got in Pattaya, but we have got a lot of toiletries over here. So, in space, Pattaya twins, in toiletries, Bangkok twins. Then we have a mini freezer over here. Is it a lucky day? Nope. We don't have anything in the freezer. We have the tea, coffee, and the complimentary water bottles. You have a little closet over here. You have the luggage rack. It comes with a cabinet cum dressing table over here. You have the sitting arrangement, and you have two twin beds over here. You have to unpack luggage, but yeah, let me see the view. Okay, I guess if we stayed on an upper floor, we could have got a better view of the city, but yeah, can't complain. It's nice. So yeah, that was about it from the room tour. Now, this corridor over here is huge, and that is why I wanted to shoot this. In the evening, when I will be going out for sightseeing, I'll show you the hotel from the outside. You'll get an idea how huge this place is. But I calculated actually from my hotel room, which is towards the other end of the corridor, to the middle, which has got the elevator. It takes almost 1 minute and 15 seconds. So if to walk from one end to the other end of the hotel, you would take 2.5 minutes. So it's pretty long. Over here you can actually have your morning walk at this place. But yeah, that was about it from the room tours. See you on the next vlog from Thailand.